Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free virtual internship program provided by the one of the multinational organization, that is a Ford company. And friend, you can see here, you will also get this type of certificate once you complete this online internship. And friend, the internship is for electric vehicle engineering, and anyone can apply for this virtual internship program, whether you are the college going students, freshers, or the working professionals. So we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you will learn, what is the registration process, and how you will get this certificate. So please watch the video complete. So friend, let's first check about this Ford company. So friend, if you don't know about the Ford, Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer and having headquartered in Michigan, United States. And friend, it was founded in 1903, and the company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand. So friend, this is the about the organization. So let's check about this internship program. So friend, this Ford electric vehicle engineering internship is provided by the Forage. You can see here they are providing, and you can see the course is absolutely free. You did not have to pay any money here. And so you have the question in mind that why you complete their job in this virtual internship program. So let's check about that. So you can see here at Ford, they are global family company with shared values and ideals, and their commitment to service extends not only to their customers but also to each other and the world. And then you can see over the generation, they have been honored to be a part of people's memories, hopes, and dreams. And they recognize the importance of adapting to and leading change. That's why they are expanding their focus to include services, experience, and software and vehicles. And you can see here one of the very important thing you can see, like during this program, you can see you will get the opportunity to step into the shoes of a Ford team member and complete tasks that replicate the work that their electric vehicle, that is EV engineering team, does every day. So friend, how this process will work? So you can see here, you have to complete the task guided by the pre-recorded videos and examples, which we are going to discuss later. And you can see here, then you will complete all these tasks, and you will get a certificate, and then you can add in your resume and LinkedIn as an extracurricular activity. And also friend, this will help you to stand out in application, confidently answer interview questions, and explain why you are good fit for their team. And you can see here, I have provided the link in the video description box. Once you open, then you will see this video. Please watch it. And so let's check what types of things we learn here. So first you can see there will be an intro, and you can see like about your roles, that you will work as an intern in Ford Electric Vehicle Engineering Division, and you work on a team composed of engineers. Within the engineering department, you have the experience in two roles. The first one is the battery manufacturing intern and a robotics research intern. And you can see, then let's check about the task one, which you have to complete, the reviewing battery testing protocols. So basically friend, it will take about 30 to 60 minutes to complete. So you will learn here like importance of battery testing, ensuring product longevity and safety, various component of various types of batteries, then practical improvement to testing protocols, and what you will do. So you can see here, you have to examine the importance of battery testing, guaranteeing product reliability. And you have to review the existing testing protocols and pinpoint potential areas for enhancement and modifications. And if you have very good proposal ideas, then you have to also incorporate that. Then you can see in the task 2, so you have to comparing battery performance. So you have to analyze the impact of different battery use cases on performance and timeline. Then what types you will learn here. So you can see the impact of different use cases on battery, in process of analyzing data, the communication of complex findings. Then for that friend, you have to do various types of things, like you have to analyze the battery performance for various use case. Then you have to identify trends, what is the patterns in the data, to understand how different use case affect the batteries, and you have to create a comprehensive report outlining the findings and prioritizing issues. Then let's check about the task 3, friend. So for the task 3, you can see you have to build a ROS package. So exploring ROS basics to create a functional nodes for a mobile robot. So you will learn the basics of ROS, components of ROS, then process of building and launching ROS package. So you will understand the basics of ROS, including key components, their roles. You have to create a node within the ROS framework, and you have to build and launch a created node. Then friend, let's check about the task 4. So let's take task 4, that is you have to integrate ROS components. So you have to explore the integration of key autonomy stack components for robotic operations. Then you can see the interplay between different autonomy stack components for robotic operations, integration of control and localizations of component, and implementation of ROS for users and subscribers. Then for that you have to do integration process between various components of full autonomy stack, then add a new ROS node to existing project, configure ROS for publisher and subscriber for seamless communications. Then the last one is the finish line, in which you have to submit all the tasks, and find all the tasks that you will submit, then you will get this type of certificate. So on the top you can see you will get the logo of the Ford, then you can see your name will be given on the certificate, then on what topic you have done the internship will be mentioned here. And then you can see this is the authorized certificates, and at the bottom of the certificate you will also get the enrollment verification code. So if anyone has a doubt, they can verify using that link. So this is the certificate you will get. And friend, before going to check what is the registration process, if you have not subscribed our channel Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free courses, jobs and internship and technology related videos. So please subscribe so that you will get the notification earlier, and you can apply for any jobs and internship as soon as possible. So let's check the registration process. So friend, for the registration process, first you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you have, on the right side you can see start free program is given, so you have to click on that, and once you click, then you will come to this page. Then you can see here 2 options are given, like sign up with email and the login. So you can use anyone. If you are not having account, then you have to sign up with email. If you have already account on the forum, then you can directly log in. So I am going to check through sign up with email, and then this type of option will appear. So here you have to provide your some details like first name, last name, your email ID. You have to create one password which consists of minimum 8 characters. Then you have to describe your so what is the role you're like. You are the high school students, university, college students, or you are the working professionals. So you have to select any one option, suitable options according to your current role. And then you can see then you have to select this. How did you hear about this internship program? So if you are watching this video, then definitely it will be YouTube, or you can select like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and other things. Then you have to click on this register, and once you click on this register, then you will be registered in this electric vehicle engineering program, friend. And you have to complete that, and you will get this type of certificate by the Ford company, which has a great values. So please complete it and get the certificate. And if you have any query, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe in Roshan.